So how do you find the place with photos? Okay, so let me explain it from two different angles. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first angle is that you have a photo of a place. It might be a street, it might be a building, and you want to look up what it is based on that image. So this one is kind of obvious, but in order to look that up, you can go to your Google folder and literally look up the Google app, right? So it's indicated with the G logo like this. You can get inside and essentially you want to use the Google Lens, which is right next to the text field. So that is the button right there. And through the Google Lens, you can upload the image from the gallery, right? So you can see I have it in here, and based on this, I can look up what it is, right? So it kind of lets me search based on that image. And in there, you can see that it tells me that this image displays Times Square in New York, right? So it tells me where it is, shows me what exactly is going on, and I can as well see the other images of the same place. So if you mean it this way, then this is how you can use Google Lens to look up that file. However, if you mean it that the photos which you capture and, those that you captured may also have the location tag in them. If it is the case, you can go to the gallery and open up an image like that, and you can always swipe up on it to see some additional information about it, right? So you can see when it was taken and how large the image is and so on, right? But if you go to the camera app like this, tap on these settings, and in here you have the ability to set up the location tags, right? And when you enable this feature, it will basically allow you to add the location. So you have to enable it in here, and you just have to make sure that the app is going to know, the camera knows where you are, and every photo that you capture is also going to be attached to the location where it was taken. So based on this, you'll be able to swipe up on the image in your gallery and see exactly where it was taken. So that is like a different way of finding the place of a photo. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain it to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future videos as well.